What if one free app could completely change the way you plan your home, wardrobe, travel, recipes, and even your daily routine? Millions of people are doing exactly that, and the platform is Pinterest. Pinterest continues to be one of the world's most popular lifestyle platforms. Unlike traditional social media, it focuses on ideas rather than conversations, allowing users to discover and save inspiration. Across fashion, food, travel, wellness, home design, and productivity. Users create digital boards where they organize ideas for future projects, for purchases, vacations, fitness goals, and everyday living. For creators and businesses, Pinterest is also a powerful traffic source because users actively search for inspiration before making decisions. Popular categories include home decoration and DIY projects, travel planning, beauty, personal productivity, and wellness. Instead of endless scrolling, Pinterest helps people save ideas they actually want to use later. That's one reason it continues to rank among the world's most popular lifestyle apps. If you enjoy discovering tools that help improve everyday life, subscribe to Go Lifestyle Nation. New videos every week covering lifestyle, technology, wellness, travel, and smart living.